morning. Today we will be doing lesson 24, session 4. We will be continuing counting money. We will also be introducing the dollar and seeing how many coins it takes to equal 100 cents and learning that 100 cents is the same as a dollar. So let's first look at the examples before we get started. What is the value of these coins? Right here we have 4 quarters and they're showing that 4 quarters, each one is 25 cents. So when you're adding them together, because that's what you're doing when you're counting money, you're adding together. 25 and 25 is 50. Then 50 and 25 more is 75. 75 more is 100. So 4 quarters together equals 100 cents, which is the same as a dollar. Another way for me to remember and to help you remember that 4 quarters is a dollar is I always think of a dollar bill as having 4 corners. So like there's 25 cents here, there's 25 here, 25 here, and 25 here. So 4 quarters equals a dollar. Dimes, you count by tens. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That would be like doing 10 groups of 10 like we did in our other lesson. So when you're counting your dimes, 10 dimes equals a dollar. Count them. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100 cents is the same as a dollar. Now inside this bag here, you can't see it, but there's 100 pennies. That is a lot of pennies. That would be a lot to count if there was 100 pennies on this page. We would have to start at 1 and we'd have to count all the way to 100. 100 pennies is 100 cents. So if you have 100 pennies, you have not $100. That would be very nice. You only have $1. So 100 cents is the same as $1. All right, let's continue on counting. So here we're going to count 4 quarters, just like they did up there. So 1 quarter is 25 cents. 2 quarters together is 50 cents. 3 quarters you have 75 cents. 4 quarters you have a dollar. So the value of these coins is, be careful because the cents symbol is here. So you're not going to use $1. You're going to write the value of these coins is 100 cents. If you have 4 quarters, you have 100 cents, which is the same as $1. Okay, moving over to the other side, we're going to continue practicing counting and writing the value of the coins. So number 2, what is the value of these coins? Remember to always start with the coins that are worth the most. Here we have pennies, we have 2 pennies, and we have 3 dimes. So we're going to start by counting the dimes first and then counting the pennies. So we're going to cross and count, just like we did yesterday. So 10, and then I'm going to write 10. 20, 30, 31, 32. So 3 dimes and 2 pennies. The value of these coins is 32 cents. Number 3, what is the value of these coins? These coins are all the same. And these coins are all dimes. And a dime is worth 10 cents. So yes, you're going to count by tens. Make sure you cross and count because they're not in a straight row and that can be a little bit confusing. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. The value of these coins is, this is the cent symbol, so yes, you are writing 100 cents. In number 4, how many pennies are in $1? Well, 1 penny is a cent. How many pennies would I need to get and count to have a dollar? I would need, if we go back up to our other page, it tells you 100 pennies is the same as 100 cents, which is the same as a dollar. So you would need 100 pennies. Okay, you are going to continue on your own. You are going to practice counting on the green page, writing the values and counting on. And on the other side, you'll have to circle the coins that have a value of 10 cents, write to the value of these coins here, count and write to the value of these coins here. All right, we will see you tomorrow.